Dear 6th standard students, welcome back to this video session of Maths. Now we are going to solve exercise 5.4. Let us get into the session. Look at this exercise 5.4. First sum, the height in centimeter of 40 children are. They are given the height of 40 children. We want to find out the tally marks for that. First one, height from 110 to 120. So first 110, how many members? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 members. Next 111. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like that, 112, 4 members. 113, 5 members. 114, 2 members. 115, 4 members. 4 members. 16, 3 members. 117, nothing is there, so 0. 118, 2. 119, 1. 120, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total 40 children. That is the answer. Second sum, there are 1000 students in a school. Data regarding the mode of transport of the students is given below. Draw a pictograph to represent the data. Listen, mode of travel: on foot, bicycle, scooter, bus, car. Number of students: 350 students on foot and 300 bicycle, 150 by scooter, 100 by bus and 100 by car. We have to draw the pictograph for that. Here the mode of transport. First one, on foot. How many members? 350. Here one toy represents 50 students. So here 350. How many toys is there? 7 5s are 35. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 7. Next one, bicycle. 300. So 6 5s are 30. 6 50s are 300. Next one, by scooter. 115. So 3 5s are 15. Next one, by bus. How many students? 100. So 2 picture is enough. Next one, car. That is also 100. So that is the pictograph for this data. Third sum, the following pictograph shows the total savings of the group of friends in a year. Each picture represents a saving of ₹100. Answer the following question. Each picture represents ₹100 given. So Ruby, how much savings is? One picture ₹100 means 500. 5 into 100. Next one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Malakodi savings is 7 into 100, ₹700. And then Tasneem, 4 into 100, ₹400. Next Kudali, 5 into 100, ₹500. Next Inia, 3 into 100, ₹300. Now answer the following question. First one, what is the ratio of Ruby's savings to that of Tasneem's? Ruby's to Tasneem's. Ruby's how much? 500. $500 is to which one? Tasneem. 400. Cancel this one means we get 5:4. That is the answer. Next one, what is the ratio of Kurali's savings to others? What is Kurali's savings? 500 is to others means add the other savings. Here 5 plus 7, 500 plus 700, 1200, 1600, 1900. Cancel this one by 100 means 5:19 is the answer. Next one, how much is Enia's savings? Enia's savings is ₹300. Next one, find the total amount of savings of all the friends. So 1900 plus 500. 500 means we get, add this all one. 500 plus 700 plus 400 plus 500 plus 300. That means 2400 rupees. That is the savings of all friends. Next one, Ruby and Kurali save the same amount. Say true or false. See the Ruby's and Kurali's amount 500, 500. Yes. So answer true. That is the answer. Fourth sum, the prediction of weather in the month of September is given below. Given the September month weather, the symbol represents sunny and the symbol partly cloudy. This one cloudy and then rainy. Answer this following question. First one, make a frequency table of the types of weather by reading the calendar. we have to make the tabular column. Weather, tally marks, frequency. First sunny. How many days? 10. So 10. Partly cloud. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. And then cloudy, 9. And then rainy weather, 6. Totally 30. Next one, how many days are either cloudy or partly cloudy? Either cloudy or partly cloudy. So totally cloudy means 9 days and partly cloudy 5 days. Totally 14 days. Next, how many days do not have rain? Give 2 ways to find out the answer. How many days means 24 days. For 24 days there is no rain. Way 1, totally 30 days. 6 days were rainy. So now no rain means other than that 6 days. That means 30 minus 6 equal to 24 days. Another method, count the days of no rain. We can count the days, non-rainy days. In the calendar. Next one, that is the 2 ways. Fourth one, find the ratio of the number of sunny days to rainy days. How many sunny days? 10 is to rainy days 6. Divided by 2 means we get simplification 5 is to 3. That is the answer. Fifth sum, the table shows the number of moons that orbit each of the planets in our solar system. Planets and number of moons they given. Make a bar graph for the above data. Now we have to make the bar graph. Here the planets and this one number of moons. First one, Mercury, no moon is there, and also Venus. Next one, Earth. One moon is there, and then Mars. 2 moon is there, and then Jupiter 28. Here the 28. And then 30. Next one, 21. Write down the numbers. Here 0, 0, 1, 2, here 28, 30, 21. In Neptune, 8 moons there. So, here 8, that is Neptune. Write down the planet's name here. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. In vertical line, 1 unit equal to 5, 10, 15, that means 5 moons. So that is the answer. Sixth one, 30 students were interviewed to find out what they want to become in future. Their responses are given in the following table. First one, profession. Teacher. How many students means 5 plus 3, 8. Pilot, 3 students. Bank manager, 5 students. Doctor, 3. Engineer, 5. Other profession, 3. Now we want to draw the pictograph for this data. Here one picture represents one student. First profession, teacher. How many students? 8. So 8 students. Next one, pilot. Three students only. Next one, bank manager. How many students? 5. Next one, doctor. 3 students. Next one, engineer. Five students. Next one, other profession. That is 3 students. So that is the answer. 7th sum. A spin of class 6 was given a task of count the number of books which are biographies in her school library. The information collected by her is represented as follows. They given the biographies and number of books here. One picture represents 20 books, and observe the pictograph and answer the following question. First one picture, how many books are there? 4. 4 books 20 means one book represents 5. So here 20 plus 2. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 5s are 30. 30 books. And then here 20. 20 plus 20, 40. 40 plus 10, 50. Here 20 plus 1, 25. Here 20. And then here 15. So 35. Now what is the first question? Which title has the maximum number of biographies? 50. Which one? Novelist. That is the maximum number of book biographies. Which title has the minimum number of? Minimum means least number. That is 20. Scientist. Third one, which title has exactly half the number of biographies as novelist? Which one is the half of the novelist? How many novelists? 50. That is half of that, 25. Which one is this? Sports person. That is the 25. Next one, how many biographies are there in the title of sports person? How many biographies are there? 25. Next, what is the total number of biographies in the library? That is 30, 50, 100, 150, 160 is there. So answer 160 biographies. That is the answer. 8th sum, the bar graph illustrates the result of a survey conducted on vehicles crossing over a toll plaza in 1 hour. They given the vehicles and number of vehicles crosses over a toll plaza. Here 1 unit equal to 10 vehicles. They given. Observe the bar graph carefully and fill up the following table. They given the table. Here vehicles and number of vehicles here. Vans. How many vans are there? That means here van 50. Which one denotes 30 vehicles? Which vehicle denotes 30? That is two-wheelers. And then buses. How many buses? 40. Which one is the 45? that is lorry. Cars. How many cars? 65. Others, that is 15. Total vehicles, how many vehicles are there? 6. So that is the answer. Ninth sum, the length in the nearest centimeter of 30 drumsticks are given as follows. They given the length and number of drumsticks and draw the bar graph showing the same information. We have to draw the bar graph for that. First, length 24 centimeter, how many drumsticks are there? 5. And 25, 26 or not. Then 27, 6. 28 is not there. 29, 8. 30, 6. 31, 5. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. The horizontal line represents length and vertical line number of drumsticks. "24 centimeter, that is 5. Next one, 25, 26 is not there. 27, 6. And then 28 is not there. 29, 8. How much? 8. Then 30 centimeter. In 30 centimeter, 6 drumsticks are there. So again, "31, 5 drumsticks. Here in vertical line, 1 unit represents 1 drumstick. So that is the answer. Here the exercise 5.4 is over. So children, practice well. I'll see you again in next exercise. Thank you.